When engineers are developing products, they majorly focus on whether the product is strong, whether it can perform, and whether it is reliable. But along with these things, there is one more important question, which is how much does the system actually move, in the sense articulate or its motion. Now, whenever we are talking about many products like a vehicle suspension, or it can be an aircraft mechanism or a robotic arm or an industrial machinery, we are talking about movement of any component. And particularly when it is about movement of a component, it produces forces, and these forces directly or indirectly affect the reliability, efficiency, and the system's performance overall. So at CADFEM, we are working with various organizations across industries which are interested in knowing about their products, their development of the product, and particularly when they want to gain deeper knowledge about the product development, they are interested in one tool called as Ansys Motion, which is a multi-body dynamics tool, a powerful one which is useful for understanding such conditions. I'm Parthiva, simulation engineer from CADFEM India, and today I take this opportunity to present you about Ansys Motion. Whenever we talk about Ansys Motion, it is a leverage of multi-body dynamics to understand the environment and impact of the components and mechanisms. Traditionally, whenever you understand about product development, testing is a very critical phase and an expensive phase. Along with this, whenever a product is being developed, we doesn't know about the final outcome and the product end time. So what happens here is, whenever you are doing such process, it is a very tricky process and it becomes very expensive. So simulation is a very good option when you are particularly looking for this thing. Today, simulation allows us to move these processes, particularly product development processes, into a virtual environment where we can test it and we can understand the design even before it is being completely developed. Using Ansys Motion, CADFEM helps organizations to digitally represent the mechanical systems and understand their behavior in their real-time operation conditions. Whenever we talk about any software-enabled things, we have multiple options to look at. We can do a flexible body dynamics or a rigid body dynamics, and we can also talk about the contact behaviors between the components. We can talk about understanding the forces. We can talk about the prediction on behavior of the life, vibrations, and of course understanding the whole assessment of the system, which can be performed by using Ansys Motion. By simulating these effects, engineers can identify potentially the issues even before the product is being developed, and the design problems can be addressed properly. CADFEM, we are particularly working on many issues regarding multibody dynamics, that is regarding suspensions, regarding the force that is being transmitted in drivetrains, regarding robotic arms and robotic arm mechanisms, constructions of these equipments and leverages when it is coming to heavier machineries, and of course we are also working about the vibrations, reliability, and overall the system performance, particularly in sense of motion. When you talk about the applications, we are also working with the automotive industries for the suspensions, braking systems, chassis, and the overall slip conditions, slip ratios. And when you talk about defense, we are working with their drones, working with particularly mechanisms for launching vehicles, and of course regarding products optimization and regarding vibration study as well. At CADFEM, we frequently see customers use multi-body dynamic simulations to address a few questions like how will suspensions behave under different road conditions, how the forces are transmitted in a drivetrain, how robotic mechanisms work and the arms work, and how the construction leverage equipments are working, will there be any interlocking, and also regarding vibrations in a system for performance and reliability studies. So by combining with CADFEM expertise with advanced simulation technologies, organizations can reduce physical testing, the overall product development cycle, shorten the development cycles, improve the overall product reliability, and also address the issues regarding the products, and also accelerate the innovations.